Welcome children. Today we are going to see about the remaining part which is in our chapter 2. Okay. The tech concept. The theory part is over. The tech concept in the explores in chapter 2 lesson and the book back exercises and the question answers we are going to see in today's session. Okay. Let us enter into the session. Yes. So now we are going to last class we saw about the docking bars, dogs, and what are all the things available in the XIMP interface, right? About the active window, about the toolbox, about tool options, everything we saw, and about the docking windows, docking bars, and about the dialogues. Yes. Now we are going to see about the tech concept. Tech concepts. In chapter 2 we have chapter 1 we have discussed about the generations of mobiles. Now we are going to discuss about the operating systems used in the mobile. Okay, so in the tech concept, the given first one is what comes to your mind when you hear the word operating system. So when you hear the operating system in your mind, please take a pencil and book in your hand. Okay. So Windows XP is the operating system, Ubuntu, Solaris, Unix and Linux. Yes, Windows XP, Ubuntu, Solaris, Unix, Mac and Linux. These are all the operating systems available in our computer field. Okay, so please write it down in your book. So mobile operating system, what are all the different things that we do using the mobiles? List them. What you are doing using the mobile, list the things. Okay, it can be playing, it can be watching videos, watching audio songs, or in YouTube watching any other things like anything, you write it here, and also watching your classes. Right now your prime time is about watching the classes through YouTube, right? You write everything what you are doing using your mobile phone. Yes, so students' own opinion, you want to write what you are doing in your mobile phone. Mobile phone operating system. So mobile phone operating system is long ago mobile phones are just a device used for only for taking calls, talking and occasional text. Only for SMS and talking between two members these mobile phones are used. But nowadays it is for sending emails, playing games, watching news, making video calls, and to the loved ones, making video calls and talking to your grandpa, grandmother, uncle, aunt. Likewise, you are using your smartphone. These are all called as smartphone. So long ago, the mobile phone is only used for just a voice call and then occasional text, SMS. But nowadays, for email, games, news, and video calls to our lovable family members, you are using. That is called as smartphones. Okay. So just like we have OS to run the desktop computer, you know every desktop computer runs on an operating system, and that operating system we are using is Windows operating system, isn't it? Yes. So for every laptop or desktop we need an operating system. So smartphone also need that operating system. Okay. So mobile phone operating system we are having functionality is the big selling point for the smartphone. So when you are planning to buy a soft smartphone, a mobile phone in your family, what you will be doing, how much space are there, memory space and capacity of your, that what you say, 64 MB pixel camera and everything, right? And how the functionality, how the functions of all the other applications work in that mobile phone. So the functionality is the biggest point we'll be seeing when we are buying a smartphone. So there are more than 400 million smartphones in worldwide, and their OS are defined with what functions they can carry out and how the phone manages its memory. Okay, so these functions like we are having inbuilt of games and all, you will be okay excited by those mobiles, right? So these functionalities are built in the OS itself. Those OSs we are using in smartphones are like Android and all. Okay, it also a platform on which developers, so mobile app developers can develop a software program for smartphones for specific function like WhatsApp, Telegram. These are all called as mobile app applications. Okay, software, mobile software which is used for mobile users purpose. Okay, so we can also develop a small like small games are there, right, to develop, and small things they are developing each small programs in your Play Store. There are many programs, right, for my mobile applications. So this is a platform on which developers can create applications, software programs developed for smartphone that can carry out specific functions. Thousands of applications are available in your Play Store and are being constantly developing, and you need updation then and there to update the app, right? Yes, either it can be Facebook or WhatsApp. The updations are coming in a certain period of time, isn't it? So for that, what are all the OSs available? Android, iOS is for your Apple phone, right? Your Apple phone uses a specific operating system called as iOS. Okay, Android is for other smartphones like Samsung, your other many soft smartphones. Okay, iOS is for specifically for your Apple phones, Jelly Bean and Symbian. These are all the operating systems available in your mobiles. Okay, so generally we'll be using Android operating system in all mobiles in by like Vivo, everything, but iOS is for Apple iPhones only. Okay, yes, clear with this? Any doubt in this? Till that, this is the tech concept about mobile operating system. For what operating system is used, through this operating system, what can be developed, everything we saw, right? Yes, we can enter into our exam book back exercises. Yes, exercises. Yes, okay. So the first exercise is the PEP activity 1, 2.1. Some tools used by doctors, carpenters and electricians are given below. So you identified this. Let us check whether you have written it correctly. Yes. Let us check your answers whether it is correct or not. So first, doctor's tool, stethoscope, syringe and thermometer. These are the software tools used by the doctors. Okay. So doctor's tool are stethoscope, syringe and thermometer. Yes. Carpenter's tool, saw, nail puller and chisel. So this saw, yes, nail puller and this chisel are used by the carpenter. Okay. Electrician tools, tester, hammer and wire cutter. So tester, hammer and wire cutter are used by the electricians. Yes, tester, hammer and wire cutter. These are used by electricians. Completed this? Are you written correctly? Is your answers correct? If it is not correct, change it. Okay. Let us go to the next one. The next one is 2.2. Identify the components and functions of the image window. So component zoom, its function, it is used to zoom in or out of the image. Yes, it is used to zoom in or out of the image. You saw this, right? Displays the active part, status area. So status area displays the active part of the image. Please write it in your book using the pencil. Okay. Title bar. For what title bar is used? Anyone can guess it? It's used for display the name of the image and some basic information about the image. The previous page we learnt about all these components and its functions, isn't it? Yes? Okay. Within the image we are having the ruler. Okay. So this is used to determine the coordinates within the image is the ruler. Yes? Have you all written this? Can we get into the next one? The next part is our PEP activity. Classify these into 3 respective categories. Their respective categories. You can also draw the images. So I'm just saying to classify. You all classified, right? It is very easy. Land consists of house and tree. Ship and fish comes under water. Air, aeroplane, parachute and oxygen can, and land and water, turtle and crocodile. Yes? Have you all written correctly? If your answers are correct, check it and move to the next one. Otherwise, you please make the corrections. Yes? Can we get into the next one? The next one is, who am I? I am a thin grey bar which you can make out easily. Who am I? I am a thin grey bar, docking bars. So this cannot be made out easily. It is a thin grey bar. We learnt it in the last video, isn't it? So the answer is docking bars. Next one. I am a container where I can hold a collection of dialogues. It is dogs. Okay. The answer is dogs. The next question. I am a moving window with options for a tool. Who is a moving window? Dialogue, isn't it? So dialogue is a moving window with options for a tool. All have written this? Yes. Please pause the video and write this. We can enter into the next one. Fill in the blanks. First question. Dash is the heart of the Zim. Can anyone guess which is the heart of the Zim? Toolbox. Toolbox is called as the heart of the Zim. Dash is used to smoothly fill a varying range of colors. Gradient. So gradient is used to smoothly fill a varying range of colors. The next one. Dash is used to determine coordinates within the image. Ruler. We saw it last in the previous 2 slides before, right? Ruler is used to determine coordinates within an image. Yes? The next one. Fourth question. Dash provides access to every operations you can perform on an image. Which provides access? Image menu. So image menu provides the access to every operation you can perform on an image. Yes? The next one. Dash is a container which can hold a collection of dialogues. Which is a container? Dock. Yes? Dock is a container which can hold a collection of dialogues. All have written this. Fill in the blanks. You can enter into the next one. True or false? A dialogue is a moving window which contains options for a tool. Yes. A dialogue is a moving window, right? Options for a tool options is a dialogue window, right? So it is true. Docking bars are thin black bars. Yes or no? It's false because docking bars are thin grey color bars, not thin black bars, right? The menu button displays the image menu in a column. Yes. So true. Yes. Completed this. True or false? We can enter in the next one. Define docking drag handles. What is a docking drag handles? So this is the answer for the first answer the following question. Each dockable window has a drag handle area. The cursor changes to a hand shape when it is over a drag handle area. To dock a dialog, click in the drag handle area and drag it into the docking tab area so that the dialog is added as a tab. So this is the definition for your docking drag handles. Yes, this is the definition for your docking drag handles. It is also available in your book also if you can write it using the book. Otherwise, pause this video and write it. I don't know the page number exactly. Okay, check in your book and write the answer for this. Otherwise, pause the video and write the answer. Okay, so each dockable window has a drag handle area. The cursor changes to a hand shape when it is over a drag handle area. To dock a dialog, to make it as a dock, click in the drag handle area and drag it like we did it in the last class, right? Into dock tag, so that the dialog into the docking tab area so that the dialogue is added as a tab. The next question,